Let's look at how to calculate net capital expenditure if we don't have a cash flow statement. All we need is the following three items: the opening book value of property, plant, and equipment, the closing book value of property, plant, and equipment, and depreciation expense on the income statement. Given the example below, if depreciation expense is 90 and the PP&E balances are as follows, then what is ABC Inc.'s net capital expenditure? We can calculate it as follows. We know that the formula for closing PP&E is equal to the opening PP&E number plus net capital expenditure minus depreciation. And then we get the closing PP&E. Given the assumptions that we saw earlier, we had an opening balance of 810, depreciation of 90, and a closing balance of 730. Therefore, we can rearrange the formula to calculate net CapEx, which must be 10. This would be recorded as a cash outflow of 10 under investing activities and titled as capital expenditures.